but now they tell me I switched up. Take this backwood to the face, then grab my cup. Shawty say she coming through, she on her way to love. It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love.
You guys are idiots.
Oh, team north.
North.
I
Wow, 245.
Oh my
We got
gosh.
wings, Matthew. We got wings. I'm gonna jump off and see if I can fly.
He's almost in the
Highway
bush.
A, new Fortnite
Stay in the
cheat.
bush. Go sit in the bush, buddy.
Hey, you little...
I tagged him.
Oh, I hit him. That's like... Oh,
I actually hit him. Holy poggers.
Keep shooting hunting rifles down at him. Trying to restrain him. Oh, there's another one.
Oh! Oh!
Where's he at? Where's the other one at?
Right in front of you. Or there's another team behind him. Paul, don't die. Logan, let's go, let's go. Oh! I could barely see him. Oh my goodness. Poggers.
How'd that slurp not get you?
Poggers in the
How'd that slurp not
chat.
get you
That guy's trash.
For real.
Paul, let me get the dude I
Fog
killed
champ?
loot. 152 with a hunting rifle? Dude, that's insane. Logan, there's
Fog
people
champ?
south. Paul, don't take my loot, please.
Well,
But I will, silly. I have the shotgun bullets. I have no shotgun bullets.
I have 65.
I have
Well,
100.
no.
I have 106.
Actually, I don't want to be a leech.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
fine. I have 12 and 15.
Here, Logan, here, I have
No,
106. Come here.
Yeah, he can drop him. Because he has more than me. And that'd be unfair of, my bum all.
Yes.
God, I hit him
it's a
twice,
communist.
dude. Holy moly.
There's shotgun bullets down here. Last group.
No, west.
Oh, we're talking about south. There's a build battle going on over here.
There's a guy west, I saw. Alright, I'm coming to y'all. God, y'all are far ahead. I hope I don't die. That would be really unfortunate.
See him.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah, I see it too.
Wait, where is
There's a
he?
bullet here. If you know. FAMAS! Paul, FAMAS right here.
Don't
Dead.
finish him!
What? How? Oh my god, they eat a legendary RPG to the face. They just eat it.
I killed myself.
No, my gosh!
Hard. We just choked so hard. I killed myself. Gucci flip flops, diamonds dripping off the clout. She's a queen.
No, no, no. Don't think you can crawl away.
Ugly ass little boy. Ugly ass little boy. Ugly ass little boy. Ugly ass little boy. Ugly ass.
Fuck off.
That wasn't me. That was them. They're spraying me down. I don't have the shield now. I have
Fuck you.
Look at me.
Knocked one. I've got y'all. I've got y'all.
My phone. Give me that shot.
I'm dropping hitting, I'm trying to forget.
What is it? Oh, I'm lighting that guy up for I hit him.
Come here, boy.
Gucci flip flops, diamonds.
Let me get this
dripping
dude's
off the
loot. Please don't
clout.
take it. And take it.
All
Just
I do
take
is
it.
Take loot, no matter what.
I dropped a blue tag, Paul. Do you want it? Or Matthew, do you want it?
Yeah.
Yes, I want it.
I do
I have
suck
0
hard.
kills. They don't see me. I'm coming behind them.
This little nibble is behind us. My name is Weave.
Oh, dude, I am coming. Ready for this. Oh, they both got to stare that way. They might see me. They're idiots, dude. They're idiots. We're good. They're idiots. They're sneaky.
Paul, Logan, you gotta hurry. You gotta hurry.
Knocked one. Thirst him real quick. Oh, dude, he climbed to the top so all his loot fell out. That makes... The other one's coming from me, right?
I got the high ground on top of him.
My God, that guy's far.
He fell?
There's only one more left, right?
Yeah, I'm Bill battling him.
Two.
Whoa, he's right here! No, 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 no! Oh my!
Another one! Another, yeah, there's two coming.
I need this. I'll take it. Someone there near me. Oh, good stuff, boys. Good L, Steve. Oh yeah, not double fight. Hey, go revive him. Go res him. Go res. In the tree.
Got him.
There's more. Stop, motherfucker.
Got him. There's another one.
There's more.
Alright, 12 health.
Stupid tree. I'm breaking this tree. This thing's annoying.
Freaking hitting. I'm trying to go
I got my full damage after I say full. Matthew, that's the last one, Matthew.
Where?
How's it? That was
No, I
it.
got
He's
the last one.
dead.
I
Cool
got the
square. That was my kill.
Wait, that was my kill.
I just heard someone pull out a shotgun. That was not it.
Help!
I mean, all right, if I die, I die. But that's not the last one.
Build around me.
I get the heavy. Dude, this is my kill. Come on, bro.
Oh,
Dang.
Alright, revive me.
watch out! Oh my
I get the
God,
kill.
move!
Revive
I gotta
me.
re-edit this. All right, well, so
Revive me.
Revive me.
I don't care who gets revived first.
God. Paul can steal my loot. Paul can steal all my loot.
I'm trying to forget.
Save his life and just steal my loot. Just let me have the scar, Paul. Everyone we killed does not have any shield.
Oh,
Drinking, hitting. I'm trying to forget.
I just wanted to shoot.
what? No! Oh my God! No, 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 no! Oh, I'm dead. Again! Again! Give me that med kit! We're getting shot at! Oh my gosh!
I swear to God, you're not getting revived.
Oh, there's the loot from that one guy I killed.
My gosh, we're about to...
Dude, you're not getting revived. I promise you're not.
Okay.
Dude, why are you watching
Do you
me?
not want to win? I mean, gosh. I don't
I
blame
didn't.
you.
I need a pin.
Someone ain't getting revived. Where they at?
I need material. I'm gonna grab materials real quick.
I'm drinking, hitting. I'm trying to forget.
You're right, West. Oh, I love. Oh, grenades!
Oh my God, this thing is so massive!
Why? Revive me! You're such a failure.
It wouldn't work. Oh, someone's not getting revived. You're lucky. I'm a nice person. You're so lucky.
Sure, someone revive you. Can you revive me?
Whoa, what do you mean? They're right
Hide,
above
hide.
us!
They're out of zone. Oh, they're on us.
Ooh, Paul, just stay in here, Paul, just stay in here! No, 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 no! Oh, that was the wrong weapon.
In the arms of the angel.
Oh my.
I killed one, Matthew.
I think this is the last team.
Rose, I'm calling to you.
It's 3-on-3 except for Paul's down, so it's 2-on-3.
We need to get Paul. We need to find a way to get Paul.
Come to me, Rose. I'm gonna save and bye-bye. Please, please. Pull it up, please, please.
No, you're not.
Come here, come here, come here.
Paul.
Come here.
You're not supposed to
I'm
remind
right
me.
here. I'm right here.
You're so lit up.
Psycho,
Psycho,
I'm
right
I can't get out.
I'm right here.
I thirsted. God,
Are you
guys
fucking
just ran
bored?
away.
I'm reviving Paul. Shut up.
I know, but y'all.
We wouldn't be in this sticky situation if you didn't do what you did.
Me?
Yay!
Hold up. What did I do? I had to revive. Oh, he's right here on me.
Paul, you got any extra bandos?
He's near me.
I need a heal.
Yeah.
He's medding up.
Yeah, so are we.
So are we.
Paul, you're gonna run out and I'm
Come revive
healing.
me. Paul, can you revive me?
What up?
The blood. The blood. The blood. Dude, that guy's still lit up.
Zone.
Not anymore because he met it up. It doesn't matter. It's going slow. Oh shit.
Make it.
Make it! Make it!
Look, there's Scar.
I know, that's from the guy I killed.
Got him, I got him! Knocked, I got knocked, I got knocked.
I'm in the storm.
Knocked one.
That is the last.
The other one's up here. Trying to build up. I have 4 health. I have 4 health. Stay still. Stay still.
Crap, 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 crap. No, don't shoot it. No, 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 no. Oh my, it was at like .2.
And I'm a med up.
Build around, Paul, please, 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 please.
I have a rocket launcher, by the way.
Oh, you're just gonna leave me here.
Vivian.
Okay.
We're Vivian. We're Vivian, Logan.
Oh my god, I could be up by now, but no.
Cool, good for you.
Oh, so you don't want me to help the team out? Okay.
Damn. I do, but you're gonna be low health. I'd rather have a cool one that... Nice work, Paul, nice work.
I'm almost dead.
Let me reload.
Oh, I got no more mats. What happened to all my mats? Rose, I built us a platform. You can... It's y'all 3 versus 1. Or it's us 3 versus 1. Last one's in that base. Y'all got this.
I understand that.
Let Matt get him. He got it.
I'm dead. Or I'm, knocked. I'm dead.
Hit him once.
You guys want to play
Nice.
Black Ops 2?
No, shut up. Alright, nice ball. Keep going.
Guy, chill out.
Yeah, this guy's good.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
15 kills.
Yeah.
Let it load.